Train accidents are not just tragic for humans, but also for innocent animals that have no way of understanding the approaching danger. Trains cannot stop instantly, leading to unavoidable collisions with devastating consequences. These accidents are among the most common, and today we bring you part two of these shocking moments caught on camera. In an unbelievable scene, a man ties his dog to the tracks, only to realize the danger moments before the train arrives. Without hesitation, he risks his own life to rescue his pet just in time. This terrifying moment serves as a reminder. Animals do not perceive trains as a threat. Their lack of awareness, combined with barriers and fences limiting their movement, increases the risk of accidents. A group of deer slowly moves along the tracks, unaware of the fast-approaching train. Unfortunately, with too little distance to escape, they can't get away in time. Incidents like this highlight the dangers of wild animals roaming freely near railway tracks in rural areas. As the train approaches, it blows its horn to warn a cow. However, the cow doesn't perceive the sound as a threat and remains on the tracks. Just as the train gets closer, the cow escapes by slipping through the gap beneath the rails. Incredibly, the train passes over the animal without causing any harm. Flying low over the tracks, a small bird is caught off guard by the speeding train. In an instant, it is struck, sending feathers flying through the air. A heartbreaking moment. Rest in peace, little one. As the train approaches, it blows its horn to warn a cow standing on the tracks. However, the cow doesn't perceive the signal as a threat. Then, something incredible happens. The train passes by, but the cow manages to escape unharmed by quickly jumping to the side just in time. A young kangaroo, having just left its mother's care, ventures out on its own for the first time, only to meet a tragic fate. Despite the loud train whistle, it does not recognize the warning. This is why protective barriers are essential to preventing these heartbreaking incidents. As the train sped forward, a dog suddenly appeared near the tracks. As the massive steel wheels approached, the dog darted between the rails. Onlookers held their breath. There was no way the train could stop in time, and it all happened in an instant. After the train cars had passed, everyone anxiously looked at the tracks. Was the dog still alive, or had it disappeared beneath the train? Collisions involving large animals like elephants can cause catastrophic damage to trains, railway infrastructure, and even passengers. Governments worldwide must take stronger measures to prevent these disasters and ensure safe railway operations in areas where wildlife is prevalent. As the train approached, a cow stood on the tracks, unmoved by the warning horn. In a split second, the train made impact, but incredibly, the cow stumbled aside just in time, escaping unharmed. As the train roared down the tracks, a cow appeared suddenly, standing motionless in its path. The conductor blasted the horn desperately, hoping to alert the animal. But despite the warning, the cow remained still. The train couldn't slow down in time, and the inevitable happened. It collided with the cow. The impact was jarring, and for a moment, it seemed as though the animal might not survive. But miraculously, the cow managed to move just enough at the last second. It was struck, but not fully crushed. The train sped past, leaving the cow behind, dazed but alive. Passengers looked on in shock as they realized that, against all odds, the cow had survived the dangerous encounter. India faces thousands of train accidents involving animals each year, with estimates ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 incidents annually. These accidents primarily involve livestock and wild animals straying onto railway tracks, resulting in severe property damage, and in some cases, loss of life. The Indian government has taken steps to reduce these accidents, but the challenge remains significant due to the lack of control and the large number of animals roaming freely. Solutions such as installing protective barriers and improving warning systems have been proposed.
In the United States, around 1,000 train accidents involving animals occur every year, mainly affecting livestock, deer, and other wildlife. These incidents happen mostly in rural areas, where animals frequently wander onto the tracks. Despite efforts to install fences, detection systems, and warning signals, preventing these accidents entirely remains a challenge. This raises an important question. How can we better protect animals from these dangers? Foxes are known for their sharp intelligence and agility. Moving stealthily through the forest at night, they play a key role in traditional hunting. In classic fox hunting, hunters often rely on trained dogs to track and corner the fox, seizing the right moment to make their move. This method is deeply rooted in local culture, but also raises environmental concerns. Gray wolves, with their sharp teeth and powerful bite force, dominate the wilds of North America. Hunting in packs, they can easily take down large prey like deer, elk, and even cattle. In regions like Montana, wolf hunting seasons involve the distribution of thousands of licenses, sparking debates over conservation and ecosystem management. Skilled hunters prepare thoroughly, using advanced equipment and extensive training to navigate this challenging hunt. Wild boars can cause significant damage to forests and farmland. Their aggressive nature and destructive tendencies make them a major concern for farmers. Wild boar hunting helps protect agricultural land and maintain ecological balance. Hunters employ strategic methods, using traps and modern equipment to control the boar's unpredictable aggression. Fox, wolf, and wild boar hunting require specialized weapons. Popular choices include the .308 Winchester and .306 Springfield rifles. Binoculars, night vision scopes, and infrared technology help hunters spot their targets from a distance. In all three types of hunting, the right equipment and careful preparation are key to success.
These unexpected moments show just how powerful and sometimes lucky nature can be. We have to accept that not everything is within our control. Life reminds us that sometimes a split-second decision can make all the difference. If this story touched you, don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Remember, life is full of surprises,